Worried about your plants dying when you're on vacation? What if you could water them perfectly, without lifting a finger? This Biling solar drip irrigation system saved my garden, and I'll show you how it works. Hey plant lovers, welcome to SmartBloom, your guide to smarter gardening. I'm your favorite YouTuber, here to share the best gardening gadgets. Today, we're unboxing the Biling 3W solar drip irrigation system. Let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button to join our SmartBloom family. The Biling 3W solar drip irrigation system is a game changer for indoor and outdoor plants. It comes with a 3W solar panel, a 2200 mAh battery, a digital programmable controller, and tubing to water up to 15 potted plants. The system switches between solar and battery power, so your plants stay hydrated day or night, no outlets needed. Perfect for balconies, gardens, or greenhouses. It takes the stress out of watering. Here's how this system makes watering easy in 3 steps. Step 1. Set up the tubing. Connect the drippers to your 15 pots. Step 2. Program the digital controller. Set the watering time and frequency for each plant's needs. Step 3. Let the solar panel do the work. It charges the 2200 mAh battery to keep watering even on cloudy days. It's like having a smart gardener for your plants. I set up this system for my tomato plants in my Florida balcony garden, and they've never looked better. The digital controller let me set 10-minute watering every 12 hours, and my tomatoes stopped splitting from uneven watering. The 2200 mAh battery kept it running even during cloudy days. Pro tip: test the water output in a sink first to pick the best setting for your plants. Some users say the anti-siphon valve can fail, so remove it if it doesn't work. Bonus tip: place the solar panel where it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight for the best charge. Here's why I love this system. Pros: it waters up to 15 plants, the digital controller is super customizable, and it's solar powered, eco-friendly, and reliable. Cons: the anti-siphon valve might fail, and the tubing can be tricky to set up for beginners. But honestly, this system gave me peace of mind. I can finally travel without worrying about my plants. Do you stress about watering too? Share your story in the comments, I'd love to hear. This system is perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada, with up to 15 potted plants, indoors or outdoors. It's great for busy folks or eco-conscious gardeners who want to save water and energy. Not ideal for large gardens, as it's limited to 15 pots. Ready to water without stress? Grab the Biling 3-watt solar drip irrigation system on Amazon. Link below. What's your favorite plant to grow in pots? Tell me in the comments. I reply to everyone. Love this video? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom. We bring you gardening tips to make your plants thrive and your life easier.